Hey guys, what's up? Just got these new golf balls in the mail from Amazon. This is a 24 pack. And just thought I'd open them up, take a look at the balls, give you a look at how they come and what they look like. And then I'll have to do a follow-up video after taking them out on the range and on the course. These are soft feel and yeah, seem to have some good information on these, so I really hope they perform well. This is what this looks like. It says soft feel there. Yeah. Pretty straightforward. They look nice. And I like that they have the 24 pack option. That's good. I think you can also do a 12 pack, but then of course each box just comes with 3. So you can just pull those out as needed. But yeah, seem pretty great, and look forward to using them. Anyway, hope this is helpful for you. Have a great day.